Good morning, this is your daily outlook for the 5th of October. The euro produced a rally overnight against its major counterparts. Credit rating agency Moody's downgraded Italy's rating, however this failed to keep the euro down. Rumours of the Swiss National Bank raising the 120 floor against the euro pushed it from 121.26 to 122.81 against the Swiss franc. Versus the US dollar, the single currency climbed to 133.69 from 131.45. Against the Japanese yen, the euro mounted to 102.78 from 100.78 as risk appetite appeared to drive trades. The US dollar displayed mixed results against a basket of currencies after Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke stated that the US central bank is ready to take additional measures to strengthen the US economic recovery. Against the Swiss franc, the US dollar fell to 0.9145 from 0.9261. Against the Japanese yen, the greenback rose to 76.97 from 76.53, with the pair staying in a narrow range, threatened by Japanese intervention to weaken the yen. Focus now turns to the US ADP employment change expected later today. The Australian dollar jumped, supported by better-than-expected retail sales figures, and climbed to 0.9596 from 0.9387 against the US dollar. The British pound also rose against the US dollar and traded as high as 154.94 from 153.39. The Bank of England interest rate meeting tomorrow is highly anticipated, with a lot of speculation around additional quantitative easing done by buying financial assets in order to inject money into the economy. Eyes turn to the UK final gross domestic product for the second quarter, expected at 8:30 GMT. Looking at commodities, oil put a halt on sliding prices and rose to $78.31 a barrel from $74.92. Gold declined to $1,595.63 an ounce from $1,678.55, and silver also fell to $28.62 an ounce from $31.29. Let's take a look at the currencies this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 132.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 132.35. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 77 with a preference to enter into short positions at 76.95. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.9480 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9480. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 154 with a preference to enter into long positions at 154.10, and the dollar CAD pivot point is at 10650 with a preference to enter into short positions at 10650. And looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 75 with a preference to enter into long positions at 75. The gold pivot point is at 1595 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1595, and the silver pivot point is at 2850 with a preference to enter into long positions at 2850. And don't forget, for up-to-date information, please visit our website. And on today's calendar, the market movers are the UK Services PMI in September, forecast to fall to 50.5. UK final gross domestic product in quarter two forecast to gain 0.2%. Eurozone gross domestic product forecast to gain 0.2%. And US ADP employment change in September forecast to fall to 75,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday, with the SP 500 up 2.25% and the Dow was up 1.44%. European bourses were negative for yet another day, with the FTSE trading down 2.58%, the DAX was down 2.98%, and the CAC was down 2.61%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.83%, and the Hang Seng was down 3.40%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Jay from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.